Good morning, dear children. Children, today we will be starting a new lesson, that is Ace Swimmer Mihir Singh. Okay? And first of all, today I'll be just reading the lesson. I'll make you understand. Tomorrow I'll explain it tomorrow. Okay? I'll just do reading. Okay? India is a land of achievers. Some of India's sports champions are Vishwanathan Anand, Saina Mirza, okay, Jeev, Milkha Singh, Abhinav Bindra, etc. So let us go back in time and read about the achievements of one of India's most remarkable sportsmen, Mihir Sen, who is also known as the conqueror of the seven seas. Mihir Sen, the ace swimming champion, in fact, did not know how to swim till he was 22 years of age. Until this age, he had only dog paddled. Mihir was born on 16th November 1930 in the Purulia district in West Bengal. He became a lawyer and worked as barrister at the Kolkata High Court. However, he wanted to do something more with his life, so he traveled to England. There he worked as a railway porter, after which he got a job at the Indian High Commission's office. It was here that Mihir Singh developed a love for swimming. He joined a local club and for 3 years he went through rigorous training. Finally, on 27th September 1958, he became the first Asian to swim across the English Channel in 14 hours and 45 minutes. The English Channel divides the island of Great Britain from northern France and links the Northern Sea to the Atlantic Ocean. Sen was awarded Padma Shri in 1959 for being the first Asian to swim across the English Channel. The year 1966 was a momentous year for Sen. He swam across the seven seas of the five continents in 1 year. In the month of April, he swam across the Park Strait, the sea between India and Sri Lanka. This was indeed daring as the water of the Park Strait was shark infested. In the month of August, he swam across the Strait of Gibraltar between Europe and Africa. In September, he became the world's first man to swim across the hazardous Strait of Dardanelles in Turkey. In the same month, he swam across the Bosphorus, also in Turkey, in only 4 hours. Then he swam the 85 kilometers long Panama Canal in 34 years and set a world record. Thus, Sen set up 5 world records as he swam the seven seas, for which he was awarded the Padma Bhushan in 1966. Mihir Sen's noteworthy achievements earned him a place in the Guinness Book of World Records as the world's greatest long distance swimmer. Sen opened the doors for many Indian swimmers to excel in the long distance swimming. However, his daring achievements remain unmatched. He always believed that a country is measured only by the deeds and the achievements of its people. Mihir Sen was the president of the Explorers Club of India and passed away in 1997 at the age of 67. Okay? तो ये आपको मिहिर सेन की बायोग्राफी है. I've read the this lesson, complete lesson today, and I'll explain you I'll explain this lesson tomorrow. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, dear children.